Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is April 23rd, 2025, and we're diving into TE Connectivity's latest earnings report for the second quarter of fiscal year 2025. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. TE Connectivity has delivered an impressive performance this quarter, and I'm excited to break down the details with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. TE Connectivity reported net sales of $4.1 billion, which is a 4% increase year over year and 5% organically. John, what drove this growth?
The growth was primarily driven by the industrial segment, which saw double-digit increases. The company's focus on AI, aerospace, and energy applications has paid off, contributing significantly to their organic growth. Additionally, their adjusted EPS reached a record $2.10, up 13% from last year, showcasing strong profitability.
That's impressive. How did their operating margins fare this quarter?
TE Connectivity reported an operating margin of 18.1%, with an adjusted operating margin of 19.4%. This improvement is attributed to strong operational performance across both segments, particularly in the Industrial Solutions segment.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $1.96 based on a survey of 7 analysts. TE Connectivity reported an adjusted EPS of $2.10. John, what does this tell us about the company's performance?
This is a significant beat, with the actual EPS surpassing expectations by 14 cents. It indicates that TE Connectivity not only met but exceeded market expectations, reflecting their strong operational execution and strategic initiatives.
Strategic initiatives and acquisitions. TE Connectivity completed the acquisition of Richards Manufacturing Co. How does this fit into their strategic goals?
The Richards acquisition is a strategic move to capitalize on growth opportunities in the North American utility market. This aligns with their broader strategy to expand in high-growth areas and enhance their product offerings.
They also announced a 9% dividend increase. What does this signal to investors?
The dividend increase is a positive signal, indicating confidence in their cash flow and future earnings potential. It shows a commitment to returning value to shareholders, which is always a good sign for investors.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. TE Connectivity reported strong cash flow from operations at $1.5 billion and free cash flow of $1.1 billion. How does this position them for the future?
These figures highlight their robust cash generation capabilities, which provide them with the flexibility to invest in growth opportunities, manage debt, and return capital to shareholders. Looking ahead, they expect Q3 sales to reach approximately $4.3 billion, reflecting continued momentum.
What are the key factors driving their optimistic outlook for the next quarter?
Their confidence is bolstered by the Richards acquisition, ongoing operational efficiencies, and their strategic positioning in high-growth markets like AI and energy. Despite macroeconomic uncertainties, they are well prepared to navigate challenges and capitalize on opportunities.
Key takeaways. In summary, TE Connectivity has delivered a strong performance this quarter, with record-adjusted EPS and robust sales growth. Their strategic initiatives and operational efficiencies position them well for future success. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing TE Connectivity's impressive results.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear your thoughts on TE Connectivity's performance in the comments below. Until next time.